Did you know that if you take a bunch of keys and then start playing with them like this, can lead to a fight in the house? No? Then let me share my own experience. When I was a school-going kid, one day I picked up a bunch of keys like this and I started playing with them. I tried to be, creative, and I was trying to create some music out of these bunch of keys. But when I was doing that, my mother in the kitchen, she heard this noise and she shouted from there, "Raja, stop playing with the keys." And I was really amused by that. I wondered why she shouting like that. So I did some more noise with the keys. And then she shouted again, "Stop doing that. Put the keys down." And then I asked her, "Why are you stopping me from playing with these keys? What's the problem?" And she said, if you play with these keys or rattle them like that, then there is going to be a fight in the house. Now this was, still more funny to me, and I started doing it still more. And now she got really mad. She came up to me and gave me one strong slap on the face. I was really stunned. I didn't know what happened. Later on, when I was talking to my friend, I told him, "Look, this is what happened this morning. I was playing with the keys and my mother came and slapped me, and she told me that if you play with the keys, there is going to be a fight in the house. It will lead to a fight." My friend laughed and he said, "Your mother is absolutely right. There was a fight between you and your mother." Now that is something to think about. Now this is about beliefs. My mother had a belief that if you play with the keys, it's going to create or lead to a fight in the house. So don't play with the keys. But I had no such belief, so I kept on playing as a child. So I didn't bother about it. So beliefs can cause a problem between two people. So whether they are, a parent or a child, or a husband and a wife, a boss and a subordinate. So if two people, come into contact with two different beliefs, there is going to be a conflict, right? There's going to be a conflict, and then people are not going to really understand what is happening. So when you have a clash of beliefs, you need to ask yourself some critical questions. Number one, am I being too rigid about my belief? Number two, can I be a little more flexible about my belief? Which is more important, my belief or my relationship with this person, or the work or the project that I have to do? Which is more important? Or is it possible that I can eliminate this belief? And finally, how can I understand the other person's belief, and how can I convince him or persuade the other person to compromise on his belief, or we both compromise on our rigid belief? Be a little flexible and be a little more accommodating. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye-bye.